I think 89 is what I expected given the recent trends.
Keeping an eye on the COVID numbers, but trying not to obsess over them.
Is it comfortable? Does it fit well, Nikhil?
With school coming, there's enough new preparation work that the Shaw family needs to do. At this point, the plan is to send their 2 boys back next week.
If there was absolutely no school and if I could just keep my kids home, I think that would have been the best option, just staying in our little bubble.
You can always step back.
But they recognize the value of school, and today's modeling provides parents like them with reasons for optimism and concern.
We're at that precipice, if you will, where we need to take the actions to ensure that we can move forward into the fall and keep our curve low.
BC has now passed over 6,000 total cases, and the trend overall has seen the curve go back up. But Dr. Bonnie Henry says community transmission and hospitalizations remain low.
It's actually just starting to bend down. And so that's giving me hope that we're bringing these numbers down. They're not quite doubling as fast as we expected.
Officials say people are having about 65% of the interpersonal contact they were before the pandemic, and warn if that goes any higher, things could get out of control.
So if you know you have more interactions ahead, for example, if you're returning to work, then you need to reduce your contacts in other areas.
The Shaws also worry their youngest had a bad lung infection as a child.
We just have to figure out how are we going to keep them safe given the situation.
Like health officials, they know the situation can change very quickly. Susanna De Silva, CBC News, Vancouver.